Arctic Fox has done it again. Not only is this truck camper well insulated, has solar, has a generator, but it's one of the best built truck camper brands on the market today. Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the 2025 Arctic Fox 865 truck camper. For not having a slide out, or what you would call a pop out, this truck camper has a lot of living space. Now, if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, I do about an 8 to 10 minute walkthrough of the entire truck camper and talk about it without any sound effects, special effects, or weird editing. But when I'm up here, there's freeway traffic, so bear with me. Now, let's get started. Okay, I've probably mentioned this close to 1,000,000 times, but I'll mention it again. Arctic Fox is one of the only truck camper manufacturers that puts extra insulation up here in the cap, because that's the main area where you're gonna sleep, okay? You got thermal pane, frameless windows. Again, their mindset is to make sure that you're gonna be out in cold weather and you're gonna feel comfortable. You're gonna not be like in your house type of warm, but you're gonna be a lot warmer or a lot cooler, depending on the temperature you're in or the environment you're in, than you would in a lot of other truck camper brands, okay? This is equipped with solar, generator, roof ladder, power awning, and you have an actual hot water heater. All right, let's go take a look inside. Notice I closed the door and the freeway noise is almost non-existent. So that shows you how well built and how well insulated Arctic Fox truck campers really are. Starting with the dinette, you have a booth dinette that turns into a bed. Now, if you've seen the channel multiple times, you know that I love the drawers rather than the cabinet when it comes to the storage under the dinette, because I'm lazy. I'd rather have the easy access than more storage. Let me know what you think in the comment section. By the way, if you enjoy these walkthrough videos, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, the one thing about this floor plan compared to others that I have filmed, usually the bathroom's back here and the dinette's over here, so you can simply put your extra toilet paper in that drawer and have easy access to it. And I'm explaining that in a minute, because I know that's like, why is he talking about that right now? That'll become, you'll understand in a few minutes. Okay, so I like that drawer. Now, one thing I did really like about this floor plan is that they have these cabinets above the dinette. They're deep, they're wide, good for your bowls, your plates, coffee mugs, etc. Now, normally I'm not a fan of these cabinets, but because it's a truck camper and there's very limited space, it really is helpful. Okay, coming over to the kitchen, that's my paper towel because I wiped down some of this. You got some good storage right over here for pots, pans, other accessories for your kitchen. You got your microwave, 3-burner stove, and oven, and my personal favorite, the one-piece sink. I love having tortilla soup, big pots of chili. You need a big pot to cook that stuff, especially when you're camping. You need a big sink to do it. That's why I like the one-piece sink. A lot of you like the two-piece. Nothing wrong with that, obviously. We all have our preferences. If you're hearing me open and close these drawers, they're just so high quality. Everything is well put together. You don't feel like it's cheesy, I guess would be the word. Maybe there's another word for it. I don't know. You let me know. Nice, deep 12-volt electric refrigerator. Now, I am happy that they went and put 2 more drawers underneath here rather than wasting the space. So, very... Woo, that was tough. That tells you how well put together it is. Woof. That's a nice little area for storage. And then coming up here, you got an area for hangable closet space, or you can option it out and build out some shelves to give you a nice little pantry. That's up to you. But you have that option yourself aftermarket. The wet bath. Now, one question I get is, does the toilet paper get wet with that toilet paper cover? So far, I've contacted some folks that own these truck campers, and they said they have not had an issue with the toilet paper getting wet. Now, you're going to have to use this area for your extra toilet paper and etc. things, if you get my drift, because that's the only real storage right across the way. But here's the thing, gentlemen, because I know the majority of you watching the first time are gentlemen. The bathroom in an RV is not the same as a bathroom in your house. What does that mean? It means 3 minutes or less, gentlemen. A 40-minute session in an RV bathroom is not necessary. All right, going up here. We're going to climb into the bed. There we go. God, I have a bad knee, and it still worked out pretty good. Okay, so you have charging stations on each side, both 12-volt and household plug. I like the way they build out these cabinets on each side. It's the same in every Arctic Fox camper, especially the 2025s. Storage. You got a little area of a shelf. Okay, remember we talk about this cabinet a lot. It's actually got a hangable area where you can hang some clothes. Sorry if we're a little shaky. I'm moving around a little wobbly today. My back's not exactly in a good mood. So a lot of deep cabinet storage, a lot of areas to put clothes, devices, things of that nature. You got your little tiny TV. I don't know why they put that in here. Come on, man. We're supposed to be camping, not watching TV. As you can tell, it's a 12-volt TV too, so that's kind of cool. So overall, really like the floor plan. It has a lot of space for not having a pop out or a slide out. If you have any questions, all my contact information, including my email and my social media, is in the description box below. If you want pricing on it, I left the link on where this is located so you can get pricing that's in Northern California. And in the top right-hand corner, you're going to see another Arctic Fox truck camper, but this one's going to have a pop out. And let me know in that video which one you think is better. Until next time, remember that RV stands for what? Toolkit and sense of humor, folks.